It's Tom here from Tech Nexus, and thanks for joining me on today's video. So over the last few days we've gone through and substantially updated our plant project and some steelwork, whatever else we've got in there. So now today I'm going to spend a bit of time inside Navisworks just to pretty it up and then get it ready for tomorrow's video on bringing it into InfraWorks. So you'll see the equipment I've sort of coloured or painted sort of a yellow goldy colour, and the pumps I've got as green and the steelwork as red there. So to do that inside Navisworks, I go to the render tab and I click on Autodesk rendering, and then you'll see the materials list here that I'm going to use. So I can click on the item, so the document material. It's satin light red, which is for the steelwork, the lemon chiffon for the equipment, and then the glossy forest green for the pumps. So to do that, I click on the equipment and then click on the material, then right click and say assign to selection, and there you can see that that pump has changed, that reboiler has changed, and if I do the same for that pump, it's going to be forest green there as well. So I've already done the concrete there, so I don't need to do that. So just to do a quick ray trace, I'm just going to show that on screen, and it shouldn't take too long, and you can see that that's kind of what our model is going to look like once we do a full-blown render. But before I send it out to InfraWorks, I just wanted to have a look at doing maybe some clashing first. So we're at an early stage of the project, so there probably isn't going to be really any clashing, but I'll just go through and I'll create a test in this file, and then we can just reuse it over and over again. So I'm adding a test, and I'm going to say overall test as the name, and I'm going to clash one against the other, the hard clash of a tolerance of 0.001 meters. So it has picked up obviously the clashes of the Plant 3D models that are clashing one against the other. So again, we're not too fussed on any of those. So it looks like, as I scroll through, looks like they're all of plant to plant clashes. So again, I'm happy with that. I'm not really too fussed on any issues happening through that there as well. I won't do timeliner just yet, because that'll help us more once we get into the depths of the project, and then we can start animating and timelining what the project is going to look like. But it's really just, I guess for now, the rendering, just to have a look at a quick ray trace again, just to see what that's going to look like. And I just need to change this back to my full rendered mode. There we go, and the lighting is on, so I've got different types of lights, but I'm just going to leave it as is for now. Okay, so we need to get this into InfraWorks. So I'm going to click on the big N icon at the top, export the FBX file. Actually, what I might do, just before I do that, I'm going to see what layer these are on, and I'll actually turn the grid off. There we go, that looks a bit nicer now. So I'm going to export this out and put it under my YouTube demo related files directory, and I'll replace the existing one. So that's it for today. What we'll do tomorrow, we'll actually bring that into InfraWorks, and then maybe we'll have a play around with some of the roads and some of the styling features in there, and then start making our project look a little bit more realistic. So again, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get daily notifications of all of my updates and videos. So thanks for watching.